Naglabas ng open letter ang negosyanteng si Sian Gasa kaugnay sa statement na nilabas ng BINI member na si Aya na kung saan sinabi nitong sana bigyan din daw sila ng personal space ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Ayon kay Sian, kung gusto umano ng BINI ng personal space, sana daw hindi sila lalabas sa lugar na kung saan ay maraming ordinaryong tao. Ngayon pa nga lang umano sila sumisikat, may attitude na daw sila. Samantalang matagal na umano nilang inaantay ang kanilang peak season. Ngayon na napansin na daw sila ng publiko, nagrereklamo sila sa ginagawang pagdumog sa kanila. Narito ang kabuuang open letter ni Sian Gasa para sa BINI members. Ilang taon kayong naghahangad sumikat pero walang pumapansin sa inyo. Ngayong 2024 lang kayo nakakuha ng matinding break? Tapos magrereklamo na agad kayo kasi dinudumog kayo ng mga fans habang nasa pampublikong lugar? Mga ate, public figure na kayo ngayon. Sobrang sikat na kayo, that's why yung mga fans nyo ay nai-starstruck tuwing nakikita kayo. Kung gusto nyo pala ng personal space at privacy, wag kayong tumambay sa labas. Hindi sila yung dapat mag-adjust. Kayo ang dapat mag-adjust. Kung gusto nyo pala ng payapang buhay, wag kayong kumain sa mga mumurahing restaurant. Huwag kayong pumunta sa mga public space na maraming ordinaryong Pilipino para hindi kayo dinudumog at napeperwisyo. Imagine, papunta pa lang kayo sa peak ng inyong mga karera tapos mag-a-attitude na kayo ng ganyan? Paano mako-convert into fans club yung ibang Pilipino kung ganyan na agad kayo? Hanap buhay nyo yan pinasok nyo yan, ginusto nyo yan, panindigan nyo. Alam ko mga Generation Z kayo, kaya napaka-importante sa inyo ng personal boundaries. Naunawaan ko yon, but it doesn't work that way sa loob ng industriya. Being a famous personality comes with great responsibility. That's why yung mga sikat na Pilipino na gusto ng tahimik na buhay nag-migrate na lang sa abroad. Kung ating tatandaan, naglabas ng kanilang hinaing ang BINI dahil sa ilang fans na kung saan ay hindi na sila binigyan ng break. Kahit na nakain umano ang mga ito, ay nilalapitan pa din sila upang makapagpa-picture. At ang worst pa ay nang may nagtangkang humalik di umano kay Aya sa isang bar. Hi everyone! I haven't been active lately on social media and I haven't been very responsive to messages. Even from some of my family and friends. The truth is, a lot of things have been happening lately and I just needed some time and space to process them. I appreciate and I'm grateful to everyone who has been so kind, understanding, and patient with me. I am blessed to have people like them. And I hope we can continue to have eyes that can see the good, mouths that can speak what's right, and ears that can listen and understand. I also want to take this opportunity to speak up about my recent trip to Cebu, where I went home in the hopes of distressing, relaxing, and enjoying my time with family and friends. I got to bond with them, and I was extremely happy to do so. However, there were still times when other people would not understand the need for privacy and personal time. Some would directly run up to me, grab a photo even while I was eating, post it in real time, use my face and post it on pages or places for the sake of clout and publicity without my consent. And worse, some would even include the real-time location, which I don't think it is safe. Don't get me wrong, I like taking pictures with others and I enjoy meeting people who are as passionate as are in the world of music and entertainment. It also warms my heart to hear and see people slowly learning more about me and my group BINI. But I just hope that people also see and respect us as a human being. We don't always get to go out lately because we have been busy with work. And the least we can ask for is for others to respect our personal time and our humanity. Lastly, I also want to remind everyone to be kinder with their words and actions, especially when expressed online. You never know how much it could be take a toll on somebody and affect them on a daily basis. I hope we can fill this world with love, respect, and positivity. Ito ang naging pahayag ni Aya sa kanyang social media na kung saan ay hinangaan ng mga tagahanga ng kanilang grupo dahil ayon sa mga ito, na punto daw ni Aya ang nais nitong iparating sa kanilang mga tagahanga at maging ang kagustuhan ng kanilang grupo. As much as I don't like that scammer, may point naman talaga siya. Ganito rin naisip ko. Hindi mo makokontrol yung mga tao sa paligid. Parang di nyo naman kilala mga Pinoy. Once na makakita ng sikat yan, dudumugin talaga. Minsan nga kahit di naman niya nakakilala. Pag nakitang pinagkakaguluhan ay makikijoin din sa gulo. Sacrifice rin talaga sa side ng artist, lalo ngayon na sobrang sikat at mainit name nila. It's better na wag muna pumunta sa public place. Price of the fame ika nga. May point naman siya, pero nalaman si Yang Gasa pala to parang walang credibility, kala mo copy-paste lang sa iba. Mas matutuwa pa ako kung random comments na lang to sa iba. Who got downvoted for this, pero I think Aya's open letter should have been posted as a group statement na lang doon sa Bini page and not on her personal account. Kasi siya tuloy inaway ng mga bashers. Sobrang dami sa FB nagagalit sa kanya saying sino ba siya or like bakit pa daw siya nag-artista kung gusto niya ng privacy. Sunod-sunod na bad publicity na nangyari because of their social media. Though actually, totoo naman, hindi mo naman makokontrol yung ganyan mga fans, so it's best to avoid public place lalo na kung sikat ka na. With the amount of people who doesn't know the meaning of privacy, you can't accept them to keep quiet if they see a popular figure. Pagkakaguluhan ka talaga, it's the price of popularity. If you can't handle it, then maybe being an artist isn't for you and find a job that doesn't attract too much attention.